guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm all alone. I'll be doing the video alone and I'll be showing you guys how to style mini twists. Yes, so the first thing you do is to moisturize your hair, your twist. For me, I'll be using aloe vera oil. I'll show you guys how to make it from home because I also made mine from home. I'll make a video and show you guys how to make yours too. So I'll put a little bit on my palms and I'm going to massage my twist with it. Please do not ever touch your hair using dry hands. Always moisturize your twist whenever you're touching your hair, be it either a style you're doing or you're just styling it or whatever it is you're doing. Please make sure you have some oil on your hands. Moisturize your hair. Moisturizing is very important. It's key for growth of hair. Yeah, so to style number one, make sure you have a scrunchie with you or your hair band or a hair tie or whatever it is you use to tie your hair. So for this style, I'm going to be tying a section of my hair up, not all of it, just a section, just the center part, and I'm going to be leaving some twist to fall. Yeah, and also make sure you've laid your edges. Please lay your edges. Don't do any of these styles without laying your edges. I didn't lay mine when I was doing this video, but please make sure you've laid yours. Yes, so I'm going to tie up that section of hair like that. And I'm going to let my twist fall at their natural state, just like that. No forcing issues. I'm just going to let them fall like that. And I'm going to take one of my twist and tie it around my scrunchie so it doesn't really have to be seen. Now to make it look neater and cuter, if there's a word like cuter, that is, I'm not sure. So that's style number one. I've left some of my twist to fall. Yeah, I just love this style because you don't have to force your twist to stay in a certain way. They just fall however they want. Yeah, make sure you've laid your edges again. I'm going to keep saying it, lay your edges. Please make sure you've laid your edges. So to style number two, we'll be tying our hair again in this style, and not all of it, just a section. So these are easy styles you can style your mini twist when you're at home, especially during this period where everyone has protective styles. You can just style them like that. If you want to take a photo, or if you're just going to buy groceries at the supermarket, or you're just meeting up with someone and you don't know how to style your hair, or if you're in a hurry and you're angry and frustrated and you don't know how to style your hair, I got your back. So these are easy styles you can do. So I'm going to tie up that section of hair up, and again I'm going to let some of my twists fall. So even for this style, I'm not going to tie my hair up. I'm just going to let my twist fall however they want. I'm not going to force them to stay in a certain way. I'm just going to let them fall however they want. And I've left a little twist at the back to give it a more appealing look. Yeah. So this is style number two. Make sure you've laid your edges again. Lay your edges, please. So to style number three, I'm going to be tying my twist into two sides. So this style is mostly for my fan girls. Yeah, so if someone has called you out just randomly and you're at home and you have a twist on and you don't know how to style them and you want to look amazing, you want to impress someone, or you want to impress yourself, you can just do this style. This style would look very amazing, especially if you have nice makeup on and you have a killer outfit and you're feeling yourself and you're just ready to have fun. So this is the perfect style for that. So I've tied one side of my twist, so let's tie the other side just like that. Then make sure you've laid your edges. Please lay your edges. I don't want you to blame me when you've done your style and your edges look horrible and you're just there feeling bad about your hair. Please, please lay your edges. So that's style number 3. I'm just going to let my twist fall like that. It's a very cute style and the back looks like this. So that's it. Just very easy style. So to style number 4, for this style, it's not really like a new style. It's the same style as number 3, but we're just going to spice it up just a little bit. So I'm just going to take one side of my twist and I'm going to roll them around into a bun, a small cute bun. And if your hair is incorporating, you can use a bobby pin to hold it up. If it's one of those days where your hair doesn't cooperate, you can use a bobby pin. And then to the other side, we're going to do the same. We're going to tie it up into a small bun. This is very easy, guys. Very easy. Very quick and very cute. Yep, just like that. Make sure you bleed your edges. Yeah, please, I'm going to insist until you get it. Lay your edges. Lay your edges. Yep, just like that. So that's style number 4. This is a very cute style. This is personally my favorite. And you can also comment on the comment section which your favorite style is. You can ask me any other question. Yes, so those are my easy 4 styles. So, and quick, very quick styles, very easy and very cute. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye.